It is Johnny Snow back in the building. Got a couple of packages in. All right, just a couple of packages. Let's let you guys check this out. Got a couple of lights from Olight, and we're gonna decide what gun I'm gonna put them on, and then see how good they work. All right, I might put it on the Glock, might put it on the Rock Island, might put it on the Taurus. I don't know. Now I probably won't put it on the Taurus. Uh, I'm thinking that I'm going to put them on this Beretta. This is Beretta 92X Compact. So thinking I'm going to put them on the Beretta. I had one on here, and I ended up putting it on one of my other guns. So this is still up in the running as well. So I might put it on this. I don't know. I do not know. And I seriously doubt if I'll put a light on this one, even though it does have a rail on the bottom for a light, but we got the red dot on top of it, so I don't think I need a light laser on something that already has a red dot on it. Same goes for the Echelon. I already have a red dot on it, but we shall see. We shall see. And same with this one. I don't know if I really want to put a light on this one, but let's go with the 92X Compact. The 92X Compact, and yeah, we'll go with this. Sit that up front. I'll see how everything looks on this. So we'll sit the Echelon up front, and then we have a Glock 22. Glock 22. So maybe we'll put it on the Glock. So let's go ahead and get a better look. And I have a Gerson Regard right here with another light on it, and we'll see how that light stacks up to this light. Wait a second. Let's see. Okay, the battery ain't dead. Had to check and see if the battery was dead before I was up here lying to you guys. So let's get these ready, and let's get you guys a closer look at all of this. Here we go. We'll check this one out first. All right. Right here we have the Olight Baldr S, in BL, which stands for blue laser. Baldr S Bl, blue laser. So let's go ahead and pop this box open, see what we're working with. All right, so this is how it looks out of the box. And it has magnetic charging. There we go. Magnetic charging on the Baldr blue light. And let's see. There's the light. The light is bright as all get out. And we have our functions down here where you can select what you want it to do. So we have light only, light laser, laser only, and you can see the hole in the light shield for the laser emitter. And let's see, there's the laser. We have a blue light laser. So that's what the laser looks like. So let's go ahead and put it on one of these weapons. All right. Again, that is the Baldr S Bl. So let's try the Beretta first. All right. Let's see. Has a quick release on there, and put it on there, and boom. is on there, and you have where you can hit it with your finger, and turn it on and off. Here's the light. Let's see if you can get a feel for how bright that light is. All right, and here is another light. This light right here is from Feyachi. So let's see what this light looks like. And that light is not that bright. Like I said, the battery might be almost dead because I think I left this light on one time. So that is not going to be a fair comparison when you look at, oh, look at that light. All right. Yeah, that is super duper bright. Super duper bright. I like this. Now, that's what it looks like on the Beretta 92X Compact. 92X Compact. And I kind of like it on there. Hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think. All right, let's pop it off and sit this to the side, and let's look at it on this Springfield Echelon. All right, it's on the Echelon now, and I can get to it pretty quick with my finger, no problem. I must admit I do like it on the Echelon as well. Do like it on the Echelon. It's a little boxy look. It's a shorter one, so it does not sit flush with the barrel. So I like it. I like it on the Echelon. Hit me in the comments. Tell me if I should leave it on the Echelon. Tell me what you think. So let's go ahead, take that off of the Echelon. Now we have the Glock 22. The Glock 22, 40 cal Glock. Put it on there, lock it in. All right, so that's how it looks on the Glock 22. Like I say, this is a shorty, so it does not go all the way to the end of the barrel, but it does not have to. And it fits real good with the trigger guard right there. It fits on there real good because I've had some where they'll sit out and you have to extend your finger to get to it. That actually sits real good on there. I like that. And then, like I say, this light is bright, real bright, and the blue laser is pretty cool. I like it. So that's what the Baldr S Bl looks like on 3 different weapons: the Glock 22, the Echelon, and the Beretta 92X Compact. So the one that I believe I'm going to leave it on, I think I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it on the, put it back on the, hold on. Put it back on the 92. I think I like it on the 92X the best. Yeah. Little shorty light on a little shorty gun. So this one is the RDO. So this one you could put a sight on, which it uses the same plate as the War Chief, the M9A4. It uses the same plate as this weapon. So, I don't know. Probably go ahead and put one on it. Might go ahead and put one on it. But that is the Olight Baldr S. The Olight Baldr S Bl. Gotta check it out. You see what they look like on several different weapons. All right, you hit me up. Tell me what you think, which weapon you think it should be on. And On my next video, we're going to take a look at this one, the Baldr Pro. We'll take a look at the Baldr Pro on the next video. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. And make sure you hit them notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.